friends. In our previous tutorial, we discussed about trim entities, extend entities, and convert entities. In this tutorial, we will discuss about offset entities and mirror entities. Okay, let's start our tutorial. Select any one of this plane and sketch. Select any one of this sketch tool and sketch. I'm selecting polygon. We can increase sides here. I'm increasing to 6 and click on tick mark. Okay, now we will discuss about offset entities. Select from sketch menu. Offset entities is used to duplicate our original sketch by maintaining some distance from our original sketch. We'll select our sketch. Now you can observe that there is a sketch in yellow color. That is the offset of our original sketch. You can increase the distance between our original sketch and offset. Directly you can give the number here. If you want this yellow color sketch inside of our original sketch, just click on reverse. Now you can observe that the yellow color lines are inside of our original sketch. Don't want, and check that the sketch will be outside. In case if you want in two directions, just click on bidirectional. You can observe that we have a sketch in two directions. If you want your main sketch as dotted lines, just click on here base geometry. Now we can observe that there is a dotted lines. If you want your offset entities also in dotted lines, just click on offset geometry. Now you can observe that the three lines, first one, second one, and that one, the three are in dotted lines. You don't want, uncheck this. Now you can observe that this is our main sketch and this is our outside sketch. This is our inside sketch. Okay, now we'll see about our mirror entities. If you want to mirror your 2D sketch, for that we need one reference line. So draw a line. We can mirror with respect to this line. Click on mirror entities. Here, entities to mirror. That means whatever the sketch you want to mirror, you need to select here. I am selecting this entire sketch. And here, mirror about. Here we need to select one reference line. With respect to that line, we will mirror the sketch. Now you can observe that we have a sketch here. This is our mirror sketch. Click on tick mark. Now you can observe that we have a sketch here. If you want to mirror this entire sketch, for that you need one more line. So draw a line and exit. Here, entities to mirror. Select this entire sketch. Then go down and select mirror about. I am selecting this line. Now you can observe that the entire sketch is here. Like this mirror entities we use. In our next tutorial, we will discuss about a linear sketch pattern. If you expand, we have a circular sketch pattern and move entities.